So it's totally working, guys. It's pretty crazy, and I haven't had any jailbreaking problems or anything like that. Hey guys, so what's going on today? I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Videostar Pro for free in 2025. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, the dev mode bypasses the payment. So for Pro, for 1 year, it's $30, and for 1 month, it's $5. So I'm going to press continue, and now I should have it for free. So let's see if it goes up or not. And it says dev mode activated, all Pro features unlocked for lifetime. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to the website matrixmods.com. So let me just put that in. So once you're here, I'm pretty sure it's on here, but don't quote me on that. Yeah, there it is, Videostar. So press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. They're 100% free, guys, from the official app store, and then you'll have the Videostar Pro for free. So let's just give it a second for this to load up. So as you can see, guys, at the end, it says almost there. Additional files are required. So you just have to download like 2 of these apps. Like Family Island says reach level 10. It's a game, so I could go ahead and do that. DraftKings Casino, you got to search something up, download the correct one, and open it. So these are pretty easy. So yeah, just make sure you do 2 of them, and you'll get the Videostar Pro for free. They've also got this Helium app where you got to sign up, but I guess that's free to do. So yeah, super cool. There is also a video here. If you press help, you can watch this video, which explains how to get the verification completed. So should be pretty simple. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe if you guys want to get Videostar Pro for free in 2025, guys.